Happy Tuesday, print fam. I'd say good morning, but it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. B and I was good today. I got my feature presentation done, and I've got a stack of papers with referrals on them. Not necessarily all referrals. What you do is you give what's called a trigger sheet, and what I did was I put businesses that I would like to meet with, and people could write down if they knew people of those businesses. I did get at least 3 firm referrals, so that's great, and I look forward to following up with everyone on their trigger sheets that they gave me. Stopped by the paper store, made a few deliveries. The 11 by 17s that I was having trouble folding yesterday, manually folding them, they're cracking really bad. I don't know if it's because the paper that I have is long grain. I don't know if short grain solves that. I don't know if it's just the paper. The company I buy from, Kelly Paper, said that they brought in a different brand of paper. Sorry, I'm parked in front of the printer repair store and they're confused that I'm here. Anyway, Kelly Paper said it's the brand of paper. It's a Kelly brand paper, so they gave me a different ream for free. So I'm going to try that and see if it solves the issue. So I better go inside before they freak out because they don't know why I'm parking here. So I'll be back in just a minute. All right, print fam, back at the home office. I don't feel like I've done much. It's 5 o'clock. And it's been just one of those days. B and I was good, and went through my trigger sheets, and I have a few things that I have to follow up on. I'm feeling a little frustrated just with my folder situation and figuring out the proper way to get this order folded correctly without the cracking edges, because that just makes me look bad, and I'm frustrated. And so yeah, but on with the day. I did put some feelers out for some prices to figure out what I can do to maybe get something a little bit better, at least for the time being. I did find some pricing on the Morgana Digifold, and again, this is probably just retail pricing, and it's probably not what I could get it at, but it's roughly $32,000 for the one that I would need. That would cover all of the things that I would need to do, and I don't have that money right now. So as nice as it would be, and might have to settle for something a little more basic that doesn't do all the paperweights that I need just for the time being, because I don't have $32,000, and it's not something that I can take a loan out on right now, because I already got 3 loans as it is for the business, and it's stressful enough trying to pay those. So sorry that I'm feeling a little down now, but kind of I do these vlogs to just share my experience, and not every day is a happy day. So it started out okay, and things were good and happy and exciting, and I've just slowly kind of gone downhill. So I'm gonna check a few more things. I think I'm caught up with everything that I have to do in my day, but there's a few things just that I need to check on and look at to make sure all my bases are covered. I do have some white toner prints that I need to get done. They're just wanting the transfers. They've been wanting them since last week, but I ran out of paper for some jobs that Bob and I did, so gotta get those done, and honestly probably end up doing it tomorrow, because I don't feel like it. I kind of just feel like going and curling up on my bed and going to sleep. All right, print fam, I'm calling it a night. Didn't really do much else. Hopefully tomorrow I'll feel a little bit more chipper. I did not meet my goal because I was gone most of the day, and I didn't invoice when I got home. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, hopefully it'll be better. But thanks for being here. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those questions down in the comments. Thank you, Cameron, for editing the videos. Really appreciate you, especially on these hard videos when it's kind of a downer. If you guys want to support the channel, you can hit that thumbs up button. You can subscribe. You can use the affiliate links or other links in the description. Any support is greatly appreciated. Just watching the videos is greatly appreciated. Hopefully tomorrow will be better, and we'll see you next time, Pref Fam. See ya.